Hi there, today I'm going to try on and show you how I installed my new lavender lace front wig that I received from TrendyWigs. Make sure to watch the entire video because I'm going to share with you my 30% discount code. But first let me show you how I install this baby. So it comes in this TrendyWigs box. They provide you with 2 wig caps, a beige one and a black one that I already opened, a little care instruction guide, some bobby pins, and of course, here it is, with a lace at the front. So first I'm going to cut the excess lace at the front of the wig. So you can just cut the excess lace like that all around the hairline, and be careful not to cut too close to the hairline, otherwise you're gonna cut some of the hair. And it should look like this. So now I'm ready to wear a wig cap. So if you have curly hair like me, I recommend you to braid your hair down before you put the wig cap on. Otherwise it's not gonna look as flat as possible. Something like this. Alright. And make sure that your hair is as flat as possible, just like that. So now I'm going to place this beautiful lavender wig on, and then I'm going to show you how and what type of gel I use. So now I placed it where I kind of want it to stay in the end, and I'm going to use this Got To Be Glued, Ultra Glued. As usual, I will be listing the products in the description box below, so make sure to check it out if you're interested in any of these things. So all you need is a little brush, like a toothbrush, and then you're just going to apply a tiny bit all around your hairline and a little bit on the forehead. And you're going to need something like a scarf, and wrap this scarf all around your scalp where you put the glue, and leave it on for like half an hour or more if you feel like it, just to dry and give it a lot of pressure so that it really sticks to your skin and the wig cap. Okay, so now it's really tight, and I'm just going to wait a little bit, like half an hour or something, and come back to show you how to style it. Okay, so I think it's been long enough now for me to take this scarf off. As you can see, the glue is definitely holding. It's really strong. So now I want to cut some baby hair all around my forehead, and to do that you're just gonna need some scissors. If you have a little comb, you can use it to separate the amount of hair that you'd like to have as baby hair. So I'm just attaching the rest of the hair at the back of my head so I can focus on this baby hair. Okay, so once you're done, you're gonna come back with this gel and this toothbrush. So here you go, that's the way I styled it. I added little braids here and here, and I'm super happy with this wig actually. I really like the way the baby hair looks like in the end. I was worried about the hair getting messy very quickly, but it's fairly easy to detangle, as you can see, even though it's quite curly at the back. So if you're interested in the 30% discount code, then I'm going to show it right here for you. I hope you liked this little video. Let me know if it was useful for you, and if you'd like to see another one like this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell for any of my next videos. My other videos will be popping up here as usual, and thank you for watching.